Now, one of the states that is also witnessing compliance under the lockdown or the easing of the lockdown is Ekiti State. And the number of cases, of course, of COVID-19 has gone up in that state since the lockdown began. We're being joined now by the Commissioner of Police in Ekiti State, CP Amba Asukwo, via Skype from Ado Ekiti. Good evening, Mr. Asukwo. Thank you for your time.
Good evening. Thank you.
What is the situation in Ekiti like at this point in terms of monitoring of the compliance, and how easy has it been to keep people to the guidelines as stipulated by both the Presidential Task Force, the federal government, as well as the state government?
Well, for Ekiti, I think it's really relatively been going on very well. We don't really have challenges in keeping people on, but we have challenges in manning our border that is about 300 kilometers. And you are aware we have about 14 points of entry. So it's this point of entry that is really a challenge, because some of them are within the bush parts, but there is a strong synergy within the security agencies and other stakeholders to see how we can man these borders, because the cases we had experienced are those that come into Ekiti and not really those that reside in Ekiti. There's so much consciousness within the citizens, and the sensitization program of the government is going on very well. So everybody is conscious of the pandemic, and we are doing everything possible to encourage people to know the seriousness of the issue at hand. And besides that, the state government had even created a window where people could go out and purchase their needs before coming in to have. So we are getting used to it.
In terms of compliance with the regulations, things like social distancing, the wearing of face masks, you just mentioned now that we have. I don't know if we still have the Commissioner of Police with us. Indeed, I seem to think that he is there, although there have been one or two issues. Now, Commissioner of Police, can I ask you, things like social distancing,
Hello?
And we're with you if you can hear us. Things like social distancing and the wearing of face masks, how easy has it been to enforce compliance with that in Ekiti?
For now, since it came into force, we've been trying to educate people and make people understand that it is something we have to live with for now. And the compliance is not too difficult, but we try as much as possible to make them understand that there is need for it. And we've seen that some people are already on it. It's only that we've closed the major markets, so we don't allow that to really be a barrier. But somehow, I think every day would get better and everybody would keep on understanding, because we see improvement. We just hope that the banking industry would provide more outlet for people to make use of, so that we can enforce the social distancing aspect.
Thank you very much, Honorable Commissioner of Police in Ekiti, Mr. Amba Asukwo. It's been our pleasure having you with us.